Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Corner. I am Mukul, Sarma, subject teacher. Today I shall discuss some problem and exercise number 6.1. It is the sum. It is actually application of linear inequalities of one variable. Last class also I have discussed one problem in exercise number 6.1. Today's problem is first 22 number question. To receive grade A in a course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more in 5 papers of each 100 marks. If Sunita scored 87, 95, 92 and 94 marks in first 4 papers, প্ৰথম 4খন পেপাৰত নম্বৰ পাইছে 87, 95, 92, 94. Find the minimum marks she must score in the 5th paper so that to get A grade. But A grade পাবলৈ পঞ্চম পেপাৰখনত কিমান নম্বৰ পাব লাগিব মিনিমাম কিমান পাব লাগিব আৰু মিনিমাম A grade পাবলৈ হলে 90 মাৰ্ক লাগে এভাৰেজ. Let Sunita score in the 5th paper is X. আমি ধৰি ললো যে সুনিতাৰ পঞ্চম পেপাৰত পোৱা নম্বৰ X. Now, according to question, average first paper 87, second 95, third 92, fourth 94, fifth X. আমি ধৰি লৈছো 5 divided by 5 greater than equal 90 because she have to score 90. This is to get A grade. Average score must be equal to 90 or greater than 90. So it is greater than equal 90. Then after simplification we get this 368 sum of this plus X, this 5 90 into 5 360 X greater than equal 82. So minimum marks she will have to score is in 5th paper is 82. This is the next problem is similar with the above. Find all pairs of consecutive even integer, both of which are greater than 5 and their sum is less than 23. Solution. Let 2 even consecutive positive integer be x plus 2 because every even number and every odd number is difference by 2. Therefore if one is x then other will be x plus 2 given according to question, both of which are greater than 5. Therefore x greater than 5 and x plus 2 greater than 5. From this we can write x greater than 5 minus 2, x greater than 2. But if f greater than 5, then it must be greater than 3. If f greater than 5, যদি x to পাছতকৈ ডাঙৰ হয় তেতিয়াহলে তিনিতকৈ ডাঙৰ হ'বই. Therefore we can write x greater than 5. This is the first condition. Again, second condition is there the sum is less than 20. That is x plus 2 less than 23. That is twice x plus 2 less than 23. This implies twice x less than 21 minus 2, twice x less than 23. That is 23 minus 2. This is 21. This implies x less than 21 by 2, x less than 10.5. From From 1 and 2, we see that what are the values from 1 and 2. What are the values of x? Therefore, x is equal to, from 1 and 2, x is equal to, it is greater than 5, less than 10 power 5, therefore it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we cannot take, since x is even, therefore, so x will be, what are the values? The even, there is 6. The 6 will take 8 and 10. Therefore, pairs are, if we take value of 6, there is 6, first is 6, then other is 6, 8, first pair. If we take 8, then other is x plus 2, that is 8 plus 2, that is 10. If we take x is equal to 10, then other is x plus 2, that is 10 plus 2, that is 12. So pairs are 6, 8, 8, 10, and 10, 12. That is. Next problem is, it is question number 23. Find all pair of consecutive odd positive integer, both of which are smaller than 10, but their sum is more than 11. দুটা consecutive odd integer দুটা আৰু ইহঁতৰ each of them দুটাই দশত কৰি সৰু, but their sum is more than, কিন্তু ইহঁতৰ sumটো more than 11. Let two odd consecutive positive integer be x and x plus 2. Consecutive odd positive integer, therefore difference between them is 2. Therefore, if one is x, then other will be x plus 2. According to question, x is less than 10, and x plus 2 also less than 10. From here, we can get x less than 8. But here is condition x less than 10, x less than 8. If x less than 8, then it must be less than 10. So we can write only x less than 8. If x less than 8, then it must be less than 10. Therefore, x less than 8. This is the first condition. And second condition, we have to find out what is the sum of them. First, this and this sum of them is greater than 11. Therefore, after calculation, we get value of x is x greater than 9 by 2, x greater than 4.5. Therefore, we are from 1 and 2, we get the value of x is greater than 4.5 but less than 8. What is the value of x? There will be 5, 6, 7. Since it is greater than 4.5 and less than 8. 5, 6, but 6 is not odd. Here 6 is not odd, so we cannot take 6. Therefore, x is equal to 5 and 7. Then what are the pairs? The pairs are, if we take 5, then other is 7, because we has taken the number x and x plus 2. If x is 5, then x plus 2 is 7. If x is 7, then x plus 2, that is x 7 plus 2, that is 9. Therefore, other pair is 7, 9, and one pair is 5, 7. The third problem, that is so good. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side, and the third side is 2 centimeter shorter than longest side. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter, find the minimum length of the shortest side. the longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side length. Shortest side is x. The shortest side is x. Therefore, longest side is 3 times, it is 3x. And third side, shortest side, longest side, and third side. And third side is, third side is 2 centimeters shorter than longest side, therefore it is 3x minus 2 centimeters shorter. 2 centimeters shorter than the longest side. The longest side is 3x. 2 centimeters shorter, therefore minus 2. Given that if the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeters, perimeter means sum of the sides. Therefore, perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of the triangle is equal to x, first side, 3x minus 2, it is 7x minus 2. According to equation, perimeter, if the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter, therefore 7x minus 2 greater than equal 61, that is. At least 61 means greater than equal 61. That is 7x greater than equal 61 plus 2. 7x greater than equal 63. That is x greater than equal 63 by 7. This is x greater than equals 9. The minimum length of shortest side. Therefore, minimum length of shortest side. Shortest side is, it is greater than equal 90. Therefore, it is minimum length is 9, because minimum length is 9 or greater than 9. Therefore, minimum length is shortest side is 9 centimeters. So these are the problem for today. Next class also I shall discuss some more problem. So for today I have finished my lecture.